One good thing about working remotely is that you get a chance to cook your red beans on Monday. So, got the seasoning ready to be chopped, got my onion, bell pepper, got my garlic, bay leaf, and parsley. So right now, got my meat simmering and kind of pre-cooking it. Going to use some of the juices from that. So what I don't use pork anymore. So I have my smoked turkey, the smoked turkey legs, and there's some wings in there as well. Use those to help season and provide some protein. I'm also going to include a few sausage. That's beef sausage. Now, my beans have sat overnight and they've risen and gotten a little fluffy, and so that's going to add to my creamy sauce when it's done. So when that finishes, and I get the seasoned chopped, and I saute it a little bit, add my additional seasoning and spices, and let it cook really slow. So by the time the workday is done, I'll have great pot of red beans. The beans are almost ready, as you can see. Look at it. That looks great. Yep, this is one of my favorite rice choices. Zatarain's long grain rice. Good stuff.